Hi, Stefan.
Hi, Samir.
Nice weather here in Germany. Just wanted to know from you, you deal a lot in real estate. So, how are the interest rates in Germany right now?
The interest rates in Germany right now for professional investors are at about 4%.
Okay, so is it high?
It is high compared to the last years.
Last how many years?
I would say last 20 years it's a high rate.
Okay, so it's one of the highest interest rates in last 20 years.
Exactly. We were used to have interest rates for professional investors at about 1.5 to 2%.
Okay, so from 1.5 to 4, that is very high.
It tripled nearly.
Okay, and I must congratulate you. You got a very nice car here.
Yeah, it is.
And thank you for giving me a ride in that. And आता मी स्टीफनशी बोलत होतो, इकडे इंटरेस्ट रेट मागच्या 20 वर्षातले हाय आहे आणि इंडियामध्ये स्टॉक मार्केटमध्ये 20 वर्षातला हाय आहे. खूप लोकांचे मला फोन येतात की मार्केट ऑल टाइम हाय आहे, तुम्ही गुंतवणूक केली पाहिजे की नाही. माझं असं मत आहे की तुम्ही सदा सर्व काळ गुंतवणूक केली पाहिजे. मी मागच्या 19 वर्षांपासून गुंतवणूक करतोय आणि या 19 वर्षांमध्ये 16 वेळा मार्केट ऑल टाइम हायला होतं. सो हे कोणीच सांगू शकत नाही की आत्ताचा हाय हा उद्याचा लो असणार आहे का. बेस्ट पॉलिसी आहे की तुम्ही गुंतवणूक करत राहा, सातत्याने गुंतवणूक करत राहा. मार्केट हाय आहे का लो आहे हे बघू नका. Wealth creation is only done when you keep investing consistently, and that is what Stefan also does in real estate. Am I right?
Right.
He keeps investing, he looks for the opportunities and he keeps investing. He doesn't worry about the market going up or down. He just focuses on what is the opportunity in front of him, and that is what each one of us should do. सुंदर जागेवर आम्ही आलेलो आहोत. ड्रोन नी शूटिंग करतोय. You can just see around now. Stefan will help us look around the area. Thank you.